Now, if you want to create a recipe book using Canva, well, this one is going to be really easy. So, what do you need to do here? First things first, you want to go to Canva and you want to log in or you want to create your account. Once you've done that, you want to go to the left side and you want to go and choose templates. Now, the great thing about Canva here is you could already or you can choose from already existing templates to create or base your recipe book on. So, you want to go to the search bar here and just type the following. So, it's going to be recipe book. Now, once you do type in your keyword here, it should basically allow you to choose from the following templates. Now, as long as the template does not have a crown on it, it's pretty much safe to use or free to use. Like, for example, I'm going to choose one of the following recipe book here. So maybe I want to use the design here. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Or maybe the free one that we could use. So maybe this one. Let's go and select it. Now from here, just going to click on customize this template. And it should basically start creating our template here or our project. Now from here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and start editing the following text. Now, the great thing about this one is as long as you double click on the text here, you'll now have the option to edit it. Now, at the top section, you also have the option to change the font size, the color, make it bold, italic, underline, or even strike through. Like even change the alignment if you want to, and a lot more if you want to add like certain effects on it. Now, from here, if you want to update certain images, like for example this image here, what you just need to do is you want to go to the upload section at the left side and just upload your photos in here, either by uploading or dragging it in the section, or clicking on the upload file section to upload the files yourself. Now, if you don't want to upload files or images from via this way and maybe use existing one, you could just go to elements here, go to the photo section, and let's just say you want to go and type in the following. It's going to be food. Press enter. Now from here, maybe I want to use one of the existing designs here. Like maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and drag it into our photo section here to use this specific photo. As you can see, we've just updated it. Now from here, you can go and just scroll down a bit here. Again, double click on the text section to update it accordingly and do whatever you want. Now, same thing if you want to change the photo, drag it in here, double click on the text, change it whatever way you want, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, if you want to share this, go and click on share at the top right, and you can go and just copy the link and share this to other people. Now, if you want to have this publicly available, you can go and click on public view link. Now, if you want to download this for later use, you can go and click on download. Now, if you want to make it a website, you can go and choose website. But for now, let's go and click on download, and let's go and choose the pages here. You can go and choose the format. So you can choose PDF print, JPEG, PDF standard. Let's go and choose PDF standard here. And let's go and click on download. Now, once the download or the compilation is done, it should download the file itself. As you can see here now, it's downloaded. Let's go and double click on it to open it up. Let's go open it in Chrome. And as you can see, this is now our recipe book. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.